Hi guys, this is Vince again with 1A Garage Doors, and today I want to show you a quick little video on how to enable and disable your vacation lock. If you go on a vacation and you don't want nobody messing with your garage door and your remotes and your outside keypads, here's the few steps you got to take to go ahead and do that. And today we're using the Liftmaster model 87504, and this will also be compatible with the Chamberlain, the ones that have the smart wall control. And here we go. So what you want to do is press the menu button, go down to lock disabled, press on, press the button right there on the very right side. Now it's going to say lock enabled. So if I go and press the remote control, nothing will happen. It will blink 2 times like that. And for me to enable it, I gotta go press the very top right button again. Now it says lock off, remote controls enabled. So when I press the remote control, the trolley on the motor will start moving once again. Thank you guys. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Please like and subscribe.